General Secretary, General Federation of the Trade Unions, Doug Nicholls, thanks for joining us today.
It's a pleasure, but it's a sad occasion to have to join you, really.
Yeah, thank you. The removal of Mr. Gergerlioğlu's immunity in the Turkish parliament followed immediately by a prosecutor lodging a case at the Constitutional Court for the closure of the HDP is being described as a coup by many others. Do you agree with that, first of all? And what is your comments on this? And what do you think Turkish state aiming? Very short, very briefly.
Well, it seems very serious to me, much more than just a coup, isn't it? I mean, what other country in the world would want to ban the third biggest party in its parliament, which represents so many people with the aspirations for peace and democracy? History gives us very dark warning lessons about what happens when parties are banned in this way. I think the international community needs to raise all the alarm bells and needs to make extremely urgent protests to the Turkish government.
That was my other question. If you can answer that one as well shortly, what should the response of human rights campaigners and Democrats, politicians and MPs in the rest of the Europe be?
Well, it's not just Europe, it's the whole of the world where there are democratic governments, where there are people aspiring towards peace and democracy in the world. They should make their voice heard through the UN, through their independent ability to lobby, and through all organizations that will surely throughout the world recognize this as one of the most serious bannings of political parties since the Second World War.
And another significant development is that the speculations on social media about the well-being of Kurdish leader Öcalan, there are rumors that he is not alive, but no lawyer or family members are allowed to visit him or get any sort of information regarding his well-being. So what is your comments about that, and what is Turkey trying to do by isolating Mr. Abdullah Ocalan very shortly?
Is there any other political prisoner in the world not allowed to see their lawyers and their family? I think this is a completely unique situation which we must all condemn even more loudly throughout the world. It shouldn't be rumours about his health that are out there. It should be real facts by people who are able to visit him. Clearly, we're at a time when more pressure is being put on anyone who opposes the regime within Turkey at the moment.
Dear Doug Nicholls, General Secretary of the General Federation of the Trade Unions, thanks for joining us. Thank you for your comments today.
My pleasure. Good luck.
Thank you.